This video is to outline the technical architecture of Target and the different types of information we can access and how that's going to be viewed in the front client at the end of the demonstration. Target considers ourselves to be database agnostic, meaning that we are going to use standardized technology to build a data warehouse or access your particular information. The advantage to the end user is twofold. One, it allows us to access any type of information, whether it be web-based data, AMS-based data, Navision-based data, CRM information. It allows us to access all of those varieties of information and build the data warehouse based on those. So the user is able to access any type of data. The second advantage to doing the standardized technology approach, for example Microsoft's route, is we could have the data warehouse be a Microsoft SQL Server. This is not a proprietary based technology, meaning there are lots of ways, including Target training, to learn that particular solution and have that skill set in-house. So that's kind of the two pieces of information on why we view the standardized technology on the back end to be an advantage. As I mentioned earlier, we can access any type of information, so whether that's coming from your distributors, whether it's coming from Excel spreadsheets, Access databases, social media, whether it's your CRM system or a point of sale system or an ERP system such as JD Edwards, Navision, even QuickBooks, we can access that information in two different forms. We have the availability to go directly to the data source in what we call the relational model, and this means that we're able just to pull directly from your data source and build the cube using the Target Ant server. This can be a very advantageous approach for certain companies that have a particular setup that they're interested in this model. Now, the other model that Target has is building the data warehouse, and in most cases that's using a SQL Server technology, but not limited to SQL Server technology. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the information, build a data warehouse based on your metrics and what you all value as a customer, and build cubes based on our different areas. So maybe that's a depletion area, an inventory area, direct to consumer, a marketing, sales, whatever it might be. We're going to divide up that information into relevant business areas. And now what we're able to do is use the Target Ant server, or the client server component, to allow different types of users to access that information. Target operates on the idea that we could have Windows-based users, web-based users, mobile users, and you can mix and match those based on particular users and their functional needs. Once I get to this point, I'm able to actually open up the Target solution, and I can see that based on my source data, I'm available to see information based on what's in my data warehouse. So what we've done is we've taken information from an ERP system or a CRM system, we've either relationally accessed it or we've built a data warehouse on it, and now the users are able to see the different fields in more of a layman's type format. So it makes it very easy to find the information that a particular, maybe non-technical user would want to see. So again, this is just an example of how we can take information from start to finish using Target Business Intelligence Suite BI platform.